Paul.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how you doing, my man?
Good. How you doing, Mike?
Can I borrow you for a second?
Yep, absolutely. Feel free.
All right, Paul.
Yep.
So we're talking about SEMA, and most importantly, service. When it comes to the service of the equipment they're looking to buy, regardless of manufacturer, what really is the most important things they need to be taking a look at?
The first most important thing that they should be looking at is their uptime. How often is the machine going to go down, and how are we going to keep them in service up and running? The next thing is the size of the network, the footprint of the network, the reliability of the employees, the timeliness to get the repairs completed for that uptime.
Awesome. Let's talk about issues, right? I mean, everyone's got issues. I've got issues.
Yep.
So what are some of the most common issues when it comes to machines that we see out there, what you see out there in the shops, and what are some of the things that Coates can do to remedy that?
Okay, some of the most common issues is a basic, simple lack of maintenance. Dirt, grime, grease. It's housekeeping. Clean table, lube linkage points, moisture and air systems, anything along those lines that's going to affect any type of cylinder or seal. As far as what we offer a preventative maintenance that they can call in. We can have one of our own technicians come out and do that preventative maintenance and service, explain to the customer, show them how to do the service if they choose to do so by themselves in the future.
Awesome. You mentioned maintenance, right? That's a very important piece, and if a shop's able to keep up on a lot of that, maybe they don't have to see us as often or see anybody that services. But as far as maintenance go and training, talk a little bit about what's the importance of both of those that a customer should be looking for when they're looking at equipment.
So the type of questions that a customer should be asking when they purchase a new piece of equipment is, what kind of training are they getting? Who is providing the training? Can they inform me on the proper maintenance of a piece of equipment? Is it in a book? Do they offer the preventive maintenance? If I decide I want to have a technician come out every 6 months or once a year to maintain our equipment, is there somebody available to do that? How long does it take to get service on that piece of equipment? All of those factors are questions that a customer should ask when they're going to buy a piece of equipment.
Gotcha. So I'm here shopping at SEMA. Whether I'm buying one piece of equipment, I'm buying 100 pieces of equipment. What is it that I really need to be looking for when it comes to service? Not just the performance of the piece of equipment, but the service side of things after fact. What's really going to matter to me?
So what's important is the relationship between the technician and the customer and themselves. The other question, like we talked about before, is going to be the uptime. With Coates and our own service network, the way it goes is we try to guarantee a 2-day turnaround on all repairs for our equipment. That includes within 24 hours you're going to get contacted. Within 2 days you're going to be up and running.
Awesome. And then for 2024, going in here shortly to 2025, what's new when it comes to Coates service? What's new?
First off, when it comes to our service network is lift inspections. It doesn't make a difference what brand lift. We do inspections on all those. All of our technicians are ALI certified. We do not do, at this point, we don't do any repairs. So essentially we will go in and tell you exactly what you need for your rack, and then it's up to the customer to use who they want for the repair. We're basically giving an unbiased inspection.
Awesome. All right, Paul. Well, I'm going to let you get back to it. I appreciate the time, man.
All right, appreciate it. Good seeing you again. Thanks, Mike.